After graduating and moving up, we come to realize that there will be no more lunch breaks, no more lunch together with them, no more street foods after class, and no more palitan with our classmates and schoolmates. Instead of saying see you tomorrow or next school year, it will be I hope to see you one day again. It is in this realization that someday we will look back on these moments with sadness, as this chapter of our lives will only be part of our stories. This thought feels sad because as we grow older, we realize that our path may go in different directions, and there's a chance we might never see each other again.
Hi! Hello! Sambayon! Hi! My name is, I am Edna Arduenungsod, or mas kilala sa tawag na Ma'am Eds, ang advisory ng Grade 7 Mendel and Grade 8 Copernicus, na nagsasabing, ayaw mong gawin, ipagawa mo sa iba.
Hi guys! Ako nga pala si Aunt Christine. I-edit mo na lang hindi! Ay, tama nga. Tama ba?
Tama.
Paganan. Hi guys! Ako nga pala si Aunt Christine Developer o mas kilala sa tawag na Ma'am Chris na advisory ng Grade 9 Galileo and Grade 10 Darwin. Bye-bye!
Hello, I'm Jairus Del GT Cruz from Grade 7 Mendel. Hi guys, ako nga po pala si King Francie Alonzo from Grade 8 Copernicus. Yo, my name is Sean Don. Sean Donis, pamitan tayo. Bye-bye.
Hello po, ako po si Maria Salmera Francesca Tigalo, grade 9 mula sa Galileo. Yun lang. Ayan po. Hi, I'm Shane Jaisal M. Ramos from 9 Galileo.
Hi, ako nga po pala si Edward Nas ng Grade 9 Galileo. I'm Kurt Pasiti Kayapia from Grade 9 Galileo.
Hello! Ay, sa.
Landscape.
Ngayon.
Una.
Hello! I'm Dandy F. Concepcion IV from Grade 9 Galileo.
Hi, I'm Princess Sana C. Alonso from grade 10 Darwin.
Hi, I'm Bian Gabriel Solano. Abay. Hi! Hello guys, I'm Sharik de Limuna from Grade 10 Galileo.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. But they did it. habang buhay ay dala. Di talaga inasahang magkagulo, magkagulatan, tahanan. Pinagpaguran, sana napunta. Hindi pa pangako mo lumuna, tiwala'y ingatan. Baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay di ba pangako mo nung una, tiwala'y iingatan. Baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay at kahit na bago na ng oras, ang puso may naputas. Ikaw pa rin sa susunod na habang ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kung mahalin sa susunod na habang buhay.
Kapag nabis mo, pwedeng balikan.